హాయ్ గైస్, అందరూ బిఫోర్ వీడియో చూసారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ది సెకండ్ వీడియో అబౌట్ ద క్విజ్. సో in the before video we have seen about database introduction. So on that we are seeing some questions like 6 questions. So the first question is, a database management system is what? So collection of interrelated data or collection of programs to access data. Actually both options are correct regarding database management system, but the most preferable option is collection of interrelated data, because the second option is about programs. So programs are nothing but software. It is all related to software. And software is nothing but SQL language. Here SQL language is nothing but software we are using to communicate with the DBMS. So that is another level. We will see in before videos, like forward videos. So here, collection of interrelated data means in database we only store the actual data. So for each and every data there is a relation, so that is called DBMS. So the first option is correct. And the second question is, DBMS is an interface between database and user. It is not an interface between database and user. So database is nothing but we need to communicate with the database, so not between the user and the database. Like the DBMS provides an interface for users. It provides an interface for the users to interact with the database. And database application and database means, here in the second option, the DBMS acts as an intermediary between the database applications and the actual data. So that actual database, ensuring that applications can access and manipulate the data efficiently. So the second option is similar, I think. DBMS as is an interface between database application and database, because we can manipulate. What is the main purpose of this interface? So which allows us to manipulate and insert. Manipulate is nothing but insert, delete, so many operations we can do on database. So which provides data application is used. So DBMS is an interface between data application and database is the correct option, I think. We will check later. The third option is database and SQL. SQL is a language, so which is used to interact with the DBMS. It is not an interface. Fourth option is data and database. Database itself contain actual data. So this option doesn't have any logic. So this is wrong. Next, third question. Which of the following are disadvantages of a file system? To store data. So file system is nothing but it is a system we use it to store data. Previously we used system. So after that DBMS, database management, all this database came. So before we go through that, we will see the options like data redundancy and inconsistency. So file systems often lead to duplicate data and inconsistencies due to lack of centralized control. So there is no centralized control in the file system. So data is not stored perfectly in the file system. And this is an option. We can choose it because it is a disadvantage. And second option is difficulty in fetching data. File systems do not provide efficient querying mechanisms. So in DBMS, we have SQL queries to fetch data or to add data or to delete data. But in file system, we don't have those mechanisms, uh, which will be very difficult to fetch the data. So making data retrieval is cumbersome, and it is means we can't fetch data easily. And second option also correct. And third option is data isolation is not present. File systems do not support data isolation, leading to potential data integrity issues. If data is not isolated, anyone can access the data. So anyone can change the data. For suppose I want to see a file, so I want to update the file. Like I will change the matter in the file. If anybody wants to access the file, same file which I have updated before, then he will see the updated version of my file, updated version of that file. So integrity is lost. So data isolation is not present is an option. And the high cost. This is not typically a disadvantage of file systems because they are usually less expensive than DBMS solutions. DBMS is only expensive than file systems. So these three are the correct options. And next one. Which of the following features are provided by DBMS? DBMS features. Maintain accuracy of data. Yeah, DBMS will provide the accurate data because it only provides actual data. uh, DBMS ensures data accuracy through constraints and validation rules. So it is the correct option. Next one, utilities for performance analysis and logging. DBMS provides tools for monitoring performance and logging activities. So maybe it is a correct option. Yeah, it's a correction. It is also a correct option. Next one, ensure modifications are successful or not done at all. So this refers to the concept of transactions like ensuring atomicity, all that. You will see in the future videos, then you can have an idea about this. So this is also an correct option. It will ensures, it has some tools to track the modifications. Those are all modifications are done or not. This is a like transactions. Like if you see phone pay, the phone pay means we will check transaction is done perfectly or not. So like that same recovery mechanism for data, we use DBMS for this purpose mainly. So wherever DBMS includes mechanisms to recover data in case of failures or some crashes, like that. So four options are correct. The fifth question is, which of the following is an advantage of database management approach? Data is depend on programs. No, not at all. Is it correct? This is a disadvantage, not an advantage. Data redundancy increases. This is a disadvantage. Data can be accessed by multiple programs. This is an advantage as it allows for data sharing and integration. So multiple users cannot access data concurrently. Yeah, no, this is a disadvantage. So this is an advantage. Which of the following features are provided by DBMS? Um, so first option is protect data from system crash. DBMS provides mechanisms to ensure data durability and recovery in case of crashes. So this is the correct option, and second option is low cost and run on commodity hardware. This is not a defining feature of DBMS because it has high cost. So don't select this option. The third one is authorized access. Yeah, DBMS provides access control mechanisms to ensure only authorized users can access the data. In the future videos, you will can clearly know about all these options, so don't worry about that. And the fourth one is application dependence on storage mechanism. This is contrary to the purpose of a DBMS, which aims to abstract the storage mechanism from application. So it is not a topic related to the DBMS. So these two options are correct. We will check. It will take some time. Okay, don't worry. It is not showing, but the options are correct. You can refer anywhere. All my options are correct. Don't worry. Yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks. Please subscribe and share the video. Bye.